Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to mark a flagged email as complete in Outlook on your PC, following the latest update. If you've been using flags to keep track of important tasks or follow-ups, this feature will help you stay organized and clear your inbox efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your browser. Once you've logged in, navigate to your inbox where your flagged emails are located. These flags act as reminders for tasks or actions that need your attention. Next, locate the flagged email that you want to mark as complete. Flags are typically displayed as icons next to the email subject line. Once you've found the email, hover over the flag icon or simply right-click on it. This will bring up a small menu with several options. From the menu, select Mark as Complete. Once you do this, the flag icon will change to a check mark, indicating that the task associated with this email has been completed. This visual cue helps you distinguish between pending and completed tasks within your inbox, and that's it. You've successfully marked your flagged email as complete. This simple action not only helps declutter your inbox, but also ensures that you maintain an organized workflow. Remember, marking emails as complete doesn't delete them, it simply updates their status. You can still access these emails anytime for reference or further action if needed. This feature is perfect for staying on top of your tasks without losing track of important emails. So go ahead, try it out, and enjoy a more streamlined inbox experience. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.